This video is about time, is about clock. The Peregrino Sinus Time, future chronograph, metric time. In the Peregrino Sinus Time, the 1 full day is 20 peri-hours. No? 1 full day equals 20 peri-hours. Then 100 peri-seconds is 1 peri-minute. Then 100 peri-minutes is 1 peri-hours. So meaning, 1 peri-minute is composed of 100 peri-seconds. And 1 peri-hour is composed of 100 peri-minutes. So again, the full day of Peregrino Sinus Time, again, is 20 peri-hours. Then 1 full day is 2,000 peri-minutes. And 1 full day is 200,000 peri-seconds. So here is our time. Clock illustration. Peregrino Sinus Time clock or metric time. The future chronograph. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. And the 1 is 10 peri-seconds or 10 peri-minutes. And 2 is 20 peri-seconds or 20 peri-minutes. And the 3 is 30 peri-seconds or 30 peri-minutes. And 4 is 40 peri-seconds or 40 peri-minutes. And the 5 is 50 peri-seconds or 50 peri-minutes. And the 6 is 60. The 7 is 70. The 8 is 80. The 9 is 90. And the 10 is 100. Okay. Time equivalent. Time equivalent is standard time to Peregrino Sinus Time. 1 second standard time is equal to 2.31481 peri-seconds sinus time. And 1 minute standard time is equal to 1.388889 peri-minutes sinus time. And 1 hour standard time is equal to 0.8333333 peri-hour sinus time. Okay. The another equivalent, Peregrino Sinus Time, 2 standard time. 1 peri-second sinus time is equal to 0.432 second standard time. And 1 peri-minute sinus time is equal to 0.72 minute standard time. And 1 peri-hour sinus time is equal to 1.2 hour standard time. Okay. Peregrino Sinus Time because I also the one of the creator of this chronograph. Peri-second, peri-minute, peri-hour. This unit of time is followed by my name because my nickname is Pere. The advantage of the Peregrino Sinus Time, you can easily calculate the time manually or by using calculator. So, that's all, and thank you so much.